Welcome! If you want more control over what appears on your Facebook posts, especially when other people tag themselves or others, there's a simple setting you can turn on. With the latest Facebook web update, you can review tags before they go live, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. First, open Facebook in your browser on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will drop down with several options. From that list, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand into another small menu. Next, click on Settings to open the main settings page. Now that you're in the settings area, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a list of categories. Find and click on Page and Tagging. This is where Facebook lets you control how tags and posts interact with your profile. Scroll down until you find the option that says something like Review Tags that people add to your posts before the tags appear on Facebook. This is the feature you're looking for. Once you see it, click on it and switch it on. After enabling this setting, Facebook will require your approval whenever someone adds a tag to your posts. That means nothing gets added without you seeing it first, giving you full control over your content and how it appears to others. And that's it. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in managing your privacy and keeping your profile exactly how you want it.